Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Shab and welcome to the channel. Today I've got a unboxing video for a limited edition box slash bag. It is the GlossyBox in collaboration with the Flat Lay Company London, and it's basically packed full of gorgeous summer essentials. So I wanted to share it with you, and I will leave all the details linked below. If you're not a subscriber of GlossyBox, this does retail for £45. However, if you are a subscriber like me, then this is £35. So you do get £10 off, which is a bargain. You do get 12 products in here and the bag. Now the bag itself, if you wanted to buy this on its own, I think they retail for about £20 from the Flat Lay Company. I basically got the full contents of the bag for £15. And when you see what's in it, you'll understand why that's such a bargain. So this is what the bag looks like. As you can see, it's a square shape and it's got a gorgeous summer print on it. Reminds me of holidays just on its own. And it says the Flat Lay Company and GlossyBox on the front. It zips up, as you can see here, which creates like a handle. So you can carry it like that. You unzip it, and then there's Velcro down the sides here. So if you're going to do this, like this. I mean, if you lay it down flat on a table or whatever, it's a lot easier than I just made out. And then what happens is it turns into a flat bag, so you can open it and clearly see everything that's in it. And as you can see, it's jam-packed. But yeah, how cool is that? It makes it so much easier for you to navigate your way through your toiletries or your makeup or whatever that you took on holiday, or just travelling in general. Fabulous. The bag itself retails for around £20, and everything in here therefore is £15 if you're a subscriber, or £25 if you are a non-subscriber. No, it's fab. So I'm going to run through the products really randomly. There's a star product in here, so I'll probably save that till last, as I always like to do. So the first thing we've got in here is the exfoliating body polish from Forest Essentials, sandalwood and turmeric, and it's 100 grams. So it comes in a box like this. Ooh, you can see the goodness in it. So it's in a little gold jar like this. You can see here the product itself. It's bright orange, and you can see the beads. It says to use on wet skin in shower to remove dead cells and polish the skin. Rinse well with warm water. And it says authentic Ayurvedic formulation. This gently exfoliating body polish uses raw cane sugar crystals to scrub the skin, leaving it smooth and buffed with a luminous finish. It contains pure cold-pressed oils extracted from nutritious sweet almonds and apricots, which provide the skin's elasticity, while the blend of sandalwood and fresh turmeric adds glow and a delicate fragrance to the skin. That sounds delicious. I'm looking forward to using that. I bet it smells gorgeous as well. I love anything with sandalwood in it. The next thing we've got is from Lancaster, and this is the Sun Beauty Sublime Tan Body Milk. It's water resistant, SPF 30, high protection, UVB, UVA, visible light and infrared protection, and it's a 15ml. Of course, we're on the summer essentials, so you've got your body scrub, and now you've got your SPF. So it's a little mini version of it. I've never tried Lancaster SPF before. It says clean and ocean friendly body milk, SPF 30, high protection. So that's very nice. It smells like a spa. I don't know why. I had a feeling it was going to smell very clean, and it does. Next up, we've got a little tester. This is from the Shab? Girl of Now Lovely Perfume, Eau de Parfum, 1.5ml, and it's just a little tester spray bottle of that. I have actually had one of those before in another box, and it does smell gorgeous. And then we've got another tester. and this is fab. So this is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, which is hydrating, silicone free, and this is a 10ml. It's actually a really good size for a tester. Like, that's not bad at all. For a primer especially, you're not going to use that much, but I've heard very good things about this. I do have a Laura Mercier primer, but it's not this one. It's a different one. But I think this is quite new as well. Very nice. Very nice way to try it, of course. Next up, we have a nail polish, and I think the brand is green. It's potato, corn, manioc, wheat, cocoa, bamboo, natural nail colour. What is the shade? Is it Manicurist? Poppy red, which it is. Very, oh, matches what I've got going on at the moment, actually. Ignore my chipped gel at the top there, sneaking in. That sounds nice. It's all natural products, vegan and cruelty-free nail lacquer. I mean, that's just quite clearly my colour. Next up is a lip balm with SPF 50 from Bondi Sands. I have actually been using this. I've been sneaking it out of the bag to use it, and I really like it. It smells like coconut. Beautiful. Anything that smells like coconut, I absolutely love. It's the coconut scented sunscreen lip care, and it's a 15 gram. It's actually huge. Like, that's such a good size. That is going to last for ages. I've been using it quite often, and it's down to about here, which is obviously the thinnest part of the bottle anyway. Enjoy a sun-soaked day the Bondi Sands way. Hydrate and soothe dry lips with our nourishing coconut lip balm with SPF 50. It says store below 30 degrees, which is funny because I'm in the UK and we never get over that, and this week we actually have. And I've actually been melting completely. And I've noticed so of my products. I don't know if you've seen, I love the Avant lip balm. I use that quite often. And I tried to use it this morning and it just completely dripped. Like, poured out. Yeah, so I think all my products have been melting. But anyway, this is really, really nice. I do also like their face SPF. I've been using that as well. But yeah, this is fab, and it's SPF 50, so it's really, really good. Really high protection as well. The next thing we've got is a little mini Glam Glow Bright Mud. This is their Hollywood, California Glam Glow Bright Mud Dual Action Exfoliating Treatment. This is a 7 gram. I've just heard, actually, they're not selling to Ireland and the UK anymore. I'm pretty sure I just heard that, which is a really shame. I've only really discovered Glam Glow through boxes like this. That is a mask, I believe. Dual Action Exfoliating Treatment. Apply an even layer to clean skin in circular motions to activate mask. Leave on for a minimum of 20 minutes. Add water and gently massage face to complete brightening treatment. Rinse and pat dry. It does say that you need to ensure that you're using sunscreen with it as well. So I think it's got like AHA, BHA or whatever in it as well. I've never tried that before, so that's nice. Next up, we've got a huge Frank Body caffeinated hair mask. I've never tried a hair mask from Frank Body before. I have got quite a few products from them though. This is 125 mils. It is huge. You can mask your hair crowns, but not your love for me. Use 3 times per week. After shampooing, work a coin-sized amount through towel dried hair from root to tip. Leave for 10 minutes and rinse. No need for conditioner. I think I'll use this tonight actually. My hair is in dire need of a wash. Apologies. Next up, we have a product from Revolution, which we know I love. And this is the Hydra Bomb lip gloss with peptides and hyaluronic acid. It's a 4.6 ml. It's the full-size version of this, I believe. Really nice chunky bottle. I really like the packaging of these. It's a hydrating lip gloss with hyaluronic acid and peptides in it. I don't know why I've got like fluff sticking to me everywhere. I don't know where it's coming from. I don't know what's going on. I'm looking forward to trying that out. It's a really nice colour as well. It's a really like nudie brown. In fact, I think this would go really nice with the lip liner I've got on. Because it's been so hot in the UK this week, I have been doing the absolute bare minimum I could get away with on my face. I've pretty much only been using 2 Iconic London products all week. So I've been using the multi-function contour and highlight cream palette. I've been using that, and the Iconic London eyebrow pencil. The triple one, the new one. I'll throw on a lip liner just for you. But look how cool this is. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that properly with the reflection, but it's got like what looks like raindrops on it, if that makes sense, which is Hydro Bomb. I get it. I get it. Oh my God. Oh my God, it smells. It smells like coconut and holidays. What a nice applicator. Look at the size of it. It did go with the lip liner I had on. That smells unreal. It smells a little bit coconutty. Holidays. Yeah. That's so nice. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels really conditioning. Sort of like drier than a lip gloss, if that makes sense. It doesn't feel really sticky, but obviously it's got the gorgeous shine to it. Yeah. I like that. So next up is a gorgeous product. I've tried this as well. This is the Hawaiian Tropic Golden Paradise Fragrance Mist Shimmer Edition. So it says warm sand and creepy. Warm sand and something wrong with me. Warm sand and creamy coconut. This is stunning. So it is a fragrance mist. So let me just spray it on myself because can't help it. Oh my God. That smells the same. Everything smells the same. It smells like fruity coconuts. Like complete holidays gorgeousness. I'm going to spray it on my arm and then show you the shimmer because it's stunning. I just sprayed it here. I'm hoping you're gonna be able to see it, but it's got little specks of glitter in it, and it just has like the nicest glow. I just rubbed it in, and all the glitter's gone all over my arm. But it's not like chunky glitter. It's really, really fine. It doesn't look tacky or anything, and it smells unreal. But with a nice tan, that is such a nice product to spray all over, add a glow, and smell unreal. So yeah, I've got a little holiday coming up. It's not abroad though, it's in the UK, so let's not get too excited because it might rain. However, I will be taking this with me. To be honest, I'll probably take most of these products with me because it is such a nice bundle of summer essentials. 2 products left. So the next one I was really intrigued about because I've wanted to try a new one for a while. It just so happened to be in this box. So this is a teeth whitening pen from Pro White. It's a 2ml. It says brush teeth, dry your teeth, twist the pen to dispense gel, smile wide, apply the gel onto teeth, rinse mouth with water, no eating or drinking for 30 minutes. I'm really intrigued to try this. I haven't tried a teeth whitening pen for years and years and years, and I just thought I'd give it a go. It's obviously a nice thing for holiday. Hopefully it works. We'll have to see, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. You probably have to use it for a couple of weeks and then you can see the difference, but I don't know. I don't know too much about this or Pro White or anything like that, but yeah, I'm looking forward to trying it anyway. I can always give you an update and let you know how I'm getting on with that if you want to know. And last but not least, we have what I think is probably the star product, but I don't know. I love everything in the bag, and the value is crazy, and I smell unreal. I smell so nice right now with all the products, but yeah. This is the Iconic London Mascara. So it's the Triple Threat Mascara. It's 9ml. It is a full-size version of it, and it is in the shade Black. As I said, I've been loving Iconic London at the moment, but I don't have the mascara, so this was a really, really nice product to get in the bag. I do think this is like the star product. I'm really looking forward to trying this. I've heard good things about this as well. I absolutely love this brush. I've heard good things about it, that it's really, really good, but yeah, I'm yet to try it, so I'm looking forward to it. It's very different to the kind of brushes I would normally go for. That's the box. I think that is gorgeous for summer. It's got some really nice summer essentials in there. I will definitely use all of the products. There isn't one that I'm really unsure of. I'm really intrigued about the whitening pen, and hopefully that works. The hair mask I'm actually going to use tonight because my hair needs some TLC. And everything else in there is gorgeous. The lip gloss I really, really like. The bag itself is so cool. I'm really glad I picked up this limited edition, and I'll be using some of these products throughout the summer. And as I said, I've got a little holiday coming up, so I'll be taking some of these along with me as well. Let me know down below what you think, and thank you very much for watching as always, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.